Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this eyeshadow look using the Chanel eyeshadow palette 308 Clare Obscure. And it's just a nice everyday look, so easy, super simple, but I'll just show you kind of how I did it. Let me know what you think, and if you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing. I've already prepped my skin. I put on the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in 5.1. Curled my lashes with the Chanel Lash Curler. The next thing I like to do is my eyebrows. So I'm gonna use the Anastasia Soft Brown Brow Wiz pencil. And I just go ahead and brush up my brows. And then I just kind of fill in these front areas a little bit. And then I define my arch. And draw it out on the edge because it stops a little short than where I'd like it. So I kind of make like sort of a corner. So I do one stroke up from that spot, create like a nice sharp line underneath, and then just kind of fill in any sparse areas. Then once I get to the arch, I like to go back to horizontal strokes, fill in that whole section, and then connect down. And all I do is go from the top of my arch. I sort of rest my hand on my chin and just small strokes down, and then it just sort of elongates it a little bit. Now I'm just going back up and filling in any areas I missed throughout there. I've also been loving this Anastasia Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax, and what I do is just use like the end of like something bristly that I can just push inside of here. So I either use this or a spoolie, a clean spoolie, but this is the first thing I had right now. So you just get a little bit and gently brush up, and it literally freezes your brows. It's like you do not need brow lamination or anything. You can just use this and you'll get the same exact look. It's amazing. So I kind of like to exaggerate it, really push it up, as you can see, then I define all my lashes. Okay, so now to get started with the eyes, I'm gonna use some eye primer from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I got this as a sample and I don't use it very often, but I'm gonna try it out today and see if I can make those colors pop more. I'm just doing one dot on each side and then just blending it in. And I really don't want to do too much because this is supposed to be like my everyday look. Every day I don't want to do a ton of makeup. I want to enhance my look, but I don't want to like cake it on and spend all day doing it. I'm gonna do, it looks like a medium in my crease and then clear and light all around. So this is saying to do two colors. So here's the neutral Chanel palette called Clare Obscure 308, and it's made in Italy. So the top two shades are the ombre shades, and then this one is the highlighter, and this one is the deepening color. So I'm first gonna go in and put the highlighter all around my eye, and then I'll go in with the medium and just sort of shade in the crease area. So I'm using these Makeup by Mario X Sephora brushes. I'm gonna use this shadow brush to just put the highlighter one all around my eye. And I'm just sort of tapping it on my lid and then getting it in the corner of my eye. Same on the other side. So far the shadow feels really soft and I can definitely tell it's a really beautiful color. Now I'm just gonna take the tip, dip it inside the shadow, tap it, and now just go right underneath my waterline. So now I'm taking the blending brush. I think I'm just gonna do the one right above the highlighter, this more warm brown right in there. Push it in, tap it down, and I'm just going to apply on this half on the outer corners of my eyes. I'm just tapping and brushing in. Now that I've done my eyes, I'm gonna do the Chanel eyeshadow liner number 19. It's like a brown. I'm just gonna line the waterline. So I just made my eyes open up and pop a lot more. Now I'm using the Chanel La Base mascara, and this just kind of creates some separation in my eyelashes. It gives the mascara something buildable. I've been really liking this Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara I'm just gonna layer that on the top. So this is the final look. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I think I really like this eyeshadow. It's nothing over the top or crazy, but I like that it's just simple. You can see the colors. It defines your eyes, and for my eyes, I think it just really brought them out, especially with that eyeliner by Chanel. So this will probably be a nice everyday look for me. So thanks so much for watching. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and have a beautiful day.